Hi students! In English, today we are going to learn about the topic short sound of vowel letter E. The short sound of vowel letter E is A. 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 Okay? Let's learn some words with the short sound of vowel letter E using some word families. Okay? Let's see some words. What's the first word family? It word family. Let's see some words. Jet, pet, wet. Then the next word family, N word family. The words are den, hen, pen. The next one, id word family. The words are wed, bed, red. Then the next one, egg word family. The words are leg, egg, keg. Okay students, these are the few words we learn using the short sound of vowel letter E. I hope you all understand. See you in the next session. Thank you.